Myself is Ranjani, Department of BCA from Kailas Women's College, Nangavalli. We will discuss about the topic Python. Python is an integrated programming language and then general purpose language. It is a each statement translated into the subroutines. It is a platform independent and then dynamic typing and then easier debugging for the errors. It is an automatic memory management. It is adding and changing functions at the runtime during the execution of program. It is no need to recompile again to test small section. It is slower. It is a checking for errors. It is a dynamic. Dynamic means it is a not fixed. Then next, it is a general purpose language. It is a strong abstraction and then it is easier to close the end user, easy to read and easy to maintain. It may use elements of very natural language. It may be very simpler. It automatic memory management and then it is why Python we are nowadays using. It is a good Python is a good example for scripting language. Pythonic style it is very conscious and it is very powerful tool. It is every value is an object and then powerful collection and iteration abstractions. It is a dynamics. It makes generics easy and then we are nowadays various companies are using Python languages and then social medias. And then first one Google and then YouTube and then Bitly and Spotify and then Dropbox and Yahoo and Quora and Reddit. Python in terms of various number of developers are using and then various companies are using. That's why it is called general purpose language. And then history of Python. It is 1980s. It is developed was conception only and then 1989 it is implementation stage and then 2000 Python was 2.0 release. It was basic development process and then next stage will be 2008 Python and then 8.0 sorry 2.7 release and then 2017 Python 2.7 to go transcompiler. Then finally 2020 end of life we can use nowadays Python 2.7. Then next features of Python is a very easy to read and easy to use. It is very interpreted and then it is free. It is free form. It is a open source software. This is a GUI guide programming and then dynamic interpreter. It is a very portable and then it is object oriented. Python is a procedure oriented language as well as object oriented language. It is extensible and embedded. It is a very huge, large libraries are we have in Python. And then there are large various data types in Python. Python has 5 standard data types. For example, numbers and then strings, list and tuples and then dictionary. In another data types are have integer, character, double, long double or etc. Then next various types of operators are used in Python. Python languages are various operators. First one arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication and then division. And then second one comparison operator greater than and less than, greater than or equal to and less than or equal. Next one assignment operators. It is a equal and then logical operators like and or not operators. Then bitwise operators, bitwise and bitwise or bitwise not operators, and then membership function in not, and then identify operator is and then is not. Then multi-threaded programming. What is thread? Thread is a lightweight process. Multi-threaded means more than one process at a time. We can processing. It is a multi-thread within a process that same data space within the main thread and can be shared information or communicate with each other more easily than if they were separate process. This called thread is a sometimes called lightweight process. They do not require much memory overhead. They are cheaper than processors. Then tuples. Tuples means it is a sequence of immutable Python object. Tuples are sequence, just like it is a list. The difference between tuples and the list of tuples cannot be changed, unlike the list and the tuples are parentheses where list, yes, within a square brackets we are used. Okay, then next creating a tuple is a simple as you are putting different comma separated values. Example A comma B. Optionally you can put these comma separated values between the parentheses also. Conclusion: Python is nowadays one of the top 4 or 5 most widely used programming language in the world. Has it grown in popularity, it focuses on code quality, software development, readability and reliability and quality, developer productivity seems to have become a more dominant factor behind Python's success. Thank you.